Hello everyone, in front of me is Redmi Note 12 and let me show you how to change keyboard language of this device. So at first open new message or any other area where you can input some text where you can see your keyboard. So just open your keyboard, and as you can see currently I'm using English. If you wish to change it, tap on settings icon, go to languages, tap on add keyboard, and then choose the language that you want to apply. Let me choose, for example, Arabic. Tap on done. Now you can remove unnecessary language by tapping on edit icon, select the language that you want to get rid of, and click on bin to delete it. And as you can see, from now on this brand new keyboard language is applied actually. So this is it. That will be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.